You ever buy something that looks really cool and you think it's something, one thing, and you get it home and it's another, and it just isn't what you thought it was? Well, this is one of those situations. This nice looking little bird bath. Yeah, it was supposedly brass. That's not brass. Look at all that rust on there. Brass doesn't rust. So, my first clue should have been the sticker here that said made in China. You know, made in China, that probably means it's fake. So anyway, I'm gonna I went and got a wire brush. I'm gonna wire brush all this rust off here and repaint it. Don't forget the safety glasses. Well, there we go. It's kind of shiny. Good enough, I think. Both sides. I mean, there's still little pits here and there and a little bit, but you're never going to get it perfect. Unless you use chemicals, of course. And my goodness, I don't have any chemicals. And I don't think this is quite a project that rises to the level of getting special chemicals. So let's get this anti-rust paint on here. That's supposed to be able to paint over rust anyway, so we're going to get some coats of paint on this bad boy and see what we can do with it here, and should take shape. Newfangled paint can here. Not sure how this works. It's got this thing here for keep you from spraying it when you don't want to. So it won't spray. I'm supposed to slide it up, it says. It says slide up. Points this way, so I think you slide it up like that to get it off. And let's see if that works. Hey, it works. All right. Well, there it is. Painted on that side. Looks pretty good. Now to put some on the inside here. Well, there it is. All finished, and we have mixed rain and hail, so God's filling it full for the birds. That's mighty thoughtful of him, don't you think?